Welcome back, friends. This is the CNC machine tool section of our Noiva workshop. We have more than a dozen CNC machine tools for processing different parts of the forming machine. We produce the side panels, rollers, and roller shafts of the forming machines here ourselves. All major components are produced in-house and not purchased from outside, so the reduced costs can be passed on to customers. Each CNC machine tool is responsible for one process, and there is no need to switch back and forth to avoid errors. These are probably all the machine processing machines on display in our Noiva workshop. Let's take a final look around the workshop. In the next issue, I will take you to our machine display and exhibition workshop. Thank you for watching. See you next time.